Confused by all the cloud jargon? Let me show you how to master 2 of Google Cloud's most powerful tools in under 10 minutes. Cloud Storage, Cloud SQL. By the end of this video, you won't just know what they are, you will know how to use them. Hello folks and welcome to my channel. Before we can demonstrate how Cloud SQL and storage fit into the picture, we need a playground. A basic VM that simulates a real-world web app needing data and assets. Head to Compute Engine VM Instances. Click Create Instance. And in the Advanced section, in the Automation script, and paste this script. This will set up and install all the necessary tools for our playground. And then hit the Create button and let it launch. Grab the external IP, you will use it later to verify connections. Think of cloud storage like a global hard drive, fast, reliable, and infinitely scalable. Open Cloud Shell and set a multi-region locations. Now create a globally unique bucket. And upload the public asset. And then make that asset publicly viewable. Now you have made your first public object on cloud storage. If cloud storage is your file cabinet, Cloud SQL is your locked filing system. Ideal for structured data like users, orders, or posts. Go to SQL and create a new instance. Choose an instance ID. Set a secure password you will remember. And for region, choose the same region as your VM. And then hit the Create Instance button. Once deployed, copy the public IP from Connect to this instance and head to the Users section. Add a new user account. And then head to the Connections. Under Networking, click Add a Network. Choose a name for the network. And under the network, type the external IP address of your VM instance, followed by /32. And then click Done. And then Save. Now that we have got the storage and the database, let's simulate a real-world use case. A VM reaching out to Cloud SQL. SSH into your VM. And change your working directory to the document root of the web server. Use a text editor to edit the file called index.php and paste minimal content of a PHP connector. In order to have connection to your database, you need to change the cloud IP and the password. Set your SQL instance IP address as the DB server, and for the password, the password that you choose before for the user. And then restart the Apache server. And as address, type your external IP address to your VM instance. You should see connected successfully. Your VM and SQL instance are now friends. Now let's use the image you uploaded earlier. Grab the public image URL from your bucket and edit index.php file and add this above the connection message. Save your changes and restart Apache again and reload the browser. Now your app pulls image from Cloud Storage and connects to Cloud SQL, all in one dynamic page. In under 10 minutes, you just built a live cloud connected service. Used Compute Engine, stored and served files with Cloud Storage, and connect to the Cloud SQL. In the next tutorial, I will try to cover Cloud RUM and application in the cloud. Hit subscribe button, and until next time, keep coding.